For unparalleled air conditioning services in Las Vegas, Nevada, Honest HVAC stands as your premier contractor. With a steadfast commitment to honesty and professionalism, we specialize in delivering top-notch solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our skilled technicians offer expert installations, repairs, and maintenance, ensuring optimal comfort and efficiency year-round. Transparent communication and upfront pricing are our hallmarks, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience for our clients. Trust Honest HVAC as your go-to air conditioning contractor in Las Vegas, Nevada, where integrity and reliability are at the forefront of every service we provide. Keep cool with confidence, choose Honest HVAC for all your AC needs. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an air conditioning contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC, who provides air conditioning contractor services in Las Vegas, Nevada. Honest HVAC is a reputable provider of air conditioning contractor services in Las Vegas, Nevada. What services does Honest HVAC offer as an air conditioning contractor in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC offers a comprehensive range of air conditioning services including installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement for residential and commercial properties in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your air conditioning contractor for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local air conditioning contractor have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100,9205 West Russell Road Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.